can't wait to show you everything in this school. You'll be amazed what you can do in this classroom.
The whole idea is to just really grow happy, healthy children, and that's why I love using Tower Garden. We grow food, we cook, we eat, we play. Kids love to be here.
One of the things that I love, seed propagation in math. 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, they cut them, they do ratios, statistics. It's just little innovative ideas like this.
Everything that I did so that these children will grow up with this culture of expectation, that kind of small success has gone to bigger success. One student at a time, one tower at a time. I want to focus on quality of learning. I honestly believe that there is no better product for that for students and schools than a Tower Garden.
Oh, kids love pesto. I still marvel at how much pesto the kids eat.